Nice and toasty, big nuts. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to say that. I'm like.
Now I'm working on Nicholas Sparks chicken salad. He calls for 16 packets of Splenda.
It's Celebrity Recipe Showdown time.
We're making chicken salad, which is why I have pineapple juice.
For Ina Garten's chicken salad Contessa, you're gonna cook 2 split chicken breasts, bone in, skin on, drizzled with olive oil in a 350-degree oven, seasoned up with some salt and pepper until fully cooked through for about 35 to 40 minutes. A bouquet of tarragon. Like, of course she's gonna add a fresh herb element.
Well, duh. Have you seen her garden?
Ugh, I dream of her garden. That's like your garden.
No, I mean, I wish.
Ugh, I swear.
Can you imagine?
That's in my imagination of what your garden is like.
Well, that's very kind.
Yeah. Ina not only has sour cream in her chicken salad, she also has mayonnaise. And not just any mayonnaise, but good mayonnaise. So this is Duke's good mayonnaise.
Did she call for Duke?
She called for good mayonnaise.
Good mayonnaise.
In the oven. Nice and toasty, big nuts. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to say that. I'm like, we're toasting pecans and walnuts and then we're folding them into the chicken salad. I hope you know what you're doing, Ina. Once the chicken is cooled, remove the meat from the bones, discard the skin, and dice up your chicken. Fold your diced chicken up with some roasted pecans, walnuts before mixing together with mayonnaise, sour cream. Fold in half your tarragon and add the grapes. Toss to combine and serve with remaining tarragon sprinkled on top. So you should have a nice chunk of nut, a nice chunk of grape, and a nice chunk of chicken.
And we have those giant grapes. So
Giant grapes. I had to get a piece of everything because Ina wants you to try it all.
I'm just gonna do a big bite.
Yeah.
Oh God.
I enjoyed the nut.
Love the toasted nut.
Yum.
I don't know.
Or do we want to put it on a sandwich? Do we want to put it on a cracker?
I can't imagine eating that on a sandwich because
So crunchy.
the pieces are gigantic.
Right. It needs a
Flavor's
little salt,
nice. Yeah.
but
Very creamy.
I didn't taste it.
Yep. Pretty good.
Good.
Yep.
It's not bad. I'm gonna go 3 out of 5. I don't
I'd
know if
say
that's
like
low.
3.5.
3.5 sounds good.
Okay.
I go with that.
For Alan Jackson's recipe, he poaches the chicken in pineapple juice. You bring chicken, pineapple juice, honey, and apple cider vinegar to a boil in a large Dutch oven, and then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and let it simmer until the chicken is tender, which Alan says should take about 45 minutes.
It's a long time. Okay.
Yeah.
Good luck, everyone.
Okay. Alan Jackson's chicken is done poaching in pineapple juice, so then we take it out and shred it. It's kind of yellow.
What's your shredded chicken hack at home? Anything? Or do you just do
No,
that?
I just do this.
I do that too. I bought like those claws for Christmas, and I'm
Oh.
like, get these claws out of my face.
Mark swears by the KitchenAid mixer.
That's fine, but if the KitchenAid mixer is out,
Is that okay?
no.
Yeah, but I'm not. I'm not gonna get my KitchenAid mixer out to shred chicken. Is the thing.
Exactly.
Okay, you know, like those infomercial chopper things,
Yeah.
where like you like slam the thing through a grate and then it chops it for you. I'm like, I don't want that because I like chopping all my vegetables like with a knife and taking the time to do it.
Oh, I'm so opposite.
That is so funny, Mark.
In a large bowl, combine the chicken, almonds, mayonnaise, cranberries, and salt and pepper. Mix that up and chill it until you're ready to serve. This is Alan Jackson, where you poach your chicken breast in pineapple juice.
It smells like pineapple juice. Okay.
Good, go ahead, sorry. You could
Sorry.
have started eating. What are you doing?
I don't know.
No, that's fine. Chicken's dry. I could eat that on a sandwich though, and add more
Yeah.
mayonnaise.
Right. I need mayo. I need a little more flavor. It's just, I get the essence of pineapple juice. Kind of like Hawaiian bread. I get the essence of pineapple juice, but It's leaving me wanting more. I especially want more mayonnaise.
Yes, it's very basic for the pineapple angle. I would give it a 3.
I would give that a 3 for sure. That's definitely under Ina. So we're using rotisserie chicken for Martha Stewart. She just says 4 cups of cooked chicken, so I gotta dice it up though, so I can't use shredded stuff. For Martha Stewart's classic chicken salad, you're gonna mix together 4 cups of diced chicken, some minced red onion, minced celery, minced flat leaf parsley, lemon juice, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and a dash of hot sauce. Season it up with some salt and black pepper and chill until ready to serve. I see some flecks of mustard.
Looks
it's
nice.
mustard, it's very simple, parsley, some minced celery, some minced red onion, and then some chicken from the rotisserie.
Okay.
Enjoy. Hello, mustard. Bright.
Very bright. Herbaceous.
It's so Martha. That's so Martha. I love it. It's not chicken salad, like, it doesn't give me that signature chicken salad taste because of the parsley and the mustard. I crave like relish in mine.
Okay. See, I like a very herby chicken salad, so I'm into that.
Okay.
I'm gonna say at least a 4.
I would say a 3.5. It's
Okay.
on the same level as Ina for me.
All right. Now I'm working on Nicholas Sparks' chicken salad, the author of The Notebook. And the very strange thing about this one is that he calls for 16 packets of Splenda. How do we feel about that, Dom?
I'm interested. I will eat it. I
will
don't cook
try
with
it.
Splenda.
Me neither.
It's not my thing.
I will try it with an open mind.
It's funny that he's gonna use Splenda and then dill pickle relish instead of just using
Sweet pickle.
sweet pickle relish, yeah. But there's something mysterious about sweet pickle relish that we don't like or something.
It's too sweet.
Just too sweet. Grape?
Thank you. That's gigantic.
Very good.
So apparently, some newspaper that I can't remember went to Nicholas Sparks's house to interview him, and they like walk in, and he's at the kitchen counter like tearing apart 2 chickens, just as I am doing now, and he's like, I'm making my favorite chicken salad, and then he puts in 16 packets of Splenda, and they put that in the article, and then the internet found out, so here we are. For Nicholas Sparks chicken salad, you're going to stir together mayonnaise, dill pickle relish, jalapeno relish, apple cider vinegar, 16 packets of Splenda, a dash of cayenne pepper, and some salt and pepper. You're gonna mix that with shredded chicken, sliced celery, and sliced onions, and stir to combine. Chill until you're ready to serve. Here we go. Okay,
Splenda.
this is Nicholas Sparks.
I don't know about you, but I'm just not a Splenda person.
No.
Like, I'm worried that this might taste chemically.
Yeah, and even if it was the equivalent amount of sugar, that's like way too sweet.
Yeah. Okay, bon
Okay.
appetit.
See you on the other side, friend. The chemicals hit you at the back.
The chemicals are all in the end. But it's
That-
actually pretty good.
That is a journey.
It's
It
actually
is
pretty
not
good.
as bad as I thought.
I'm shocked.
I thought it would be so like fake sweet.
Yeah. I mean, the fake sweetness is all over my tongue right now.
I
Like,
might
it just
even
tingles.
have another bite.
I'm gonna have another bite. We made a lot of this, so I hope I liked it, and I'm so happy. I would never do this again with Splenda, though.
Yeah, I would do same concept, but use sugar in a much smaller amount.
Very much so.
I like the jalapeno.
Yeah. And I don't even mind these big pieces of onion. It
No.
is lovely.
I mean-
Nicholas!
Lovely if you adjust some things, but yeah.
Yeah. Great recipe, but it needs work.
3 for me, which
Yeah.
is shocking.
I mean, it's a for sure 3. It's just so delicious.
Who's your winner, Tom?
I'm gonna go with Ina. It's just very classic flavors to me with the sour cream. You're an Irby girl.
Yep, Irby girl. Martha's my winner.
I'm an Ina girly. You're a Martha girly. And it's always been that way. I think it was the exact same way on the chocolate chip cookie showdown,
true.
actually.
All right, well, let's pack up all this chicken salad.
Yay!